Helium 10 just announced a price hike. Is it still worth it for your Amazon business? So this is how prices used to look. There was a free plan, and then it was a platinum, a diamond, elite, right? The prices weren't killer. They also added in a starter plan in here as well, which was like $47 a month. They also had a la carte. So you can see there's like so many different tools here. They got alerts, follow-ups. You could just say, I just want this one. I just want alerts, or I just want another tool. So it was nice. You kind of could pick and choose, but the prices have changed, as you can see right here. Now, if you pay monthly, it's $129 a month minimum to start. Diamond is $359, and then Enterprise. So there's no more free plan. And I think that's the biggest change. People were able to have a free plan where they could utilize not all the tools, but some of them for free on a regular basis. Yes, it had limits, but I believe that it was really good. I think maybe it was costing them too much money, or maybe they believe that this is the best way to go. So it's just their decision, and that's what's happening now, right? But the ultimate question is it worth it, right? Is it worth the money? And of course, like most things, it depends, right? If you just started on Amazon, it's not worth it, right? But if you've already been selling and once you make at least, I'm going to say $5,000 a month, you should be thinking about testing out Helium 10. But even then, it might be a little bit low, maybe $10,000 a month. Because Helium 10, as you can see, it's an all-in-one suite. It's got everything, pretty much. It's got everything. Not only that, their coding team is on top of it. They sell on Amazon themselves, and they're the ones that are helping code the tools on a real-time basis to make sure their tools are accurate and one of the best. So, and there's so many different things that they look at the tools. It's just nuts at this point. So I think they just started adding in so many tools, and they're like, it's costing us more money. We got to start doing this. We got to implement this. And you can see that not only are they doing Amazon now, but you can see this is the Walmart logo. Well, they're doing Walmart tools as well. They're also doing TikTok, and they're going very hard on TikTok. They even have a sell on TikTok button right here. And it even teaches you how to sell on TikTok, right? Influencer messenger for TikTok. So a lot of different things. They're trying to have a little bit of everything here. But they do have obviously some free tools. We're going to go over the free Helium 10 product section. At least that's still free at this time. And you can see the other free tools right here. I'm trying to zoom in. It's kind of small. Amazon keyword tool, PPC audit tool, the product extension tool, Amazon anomaly tracker, Amazon sales estimator, and Amazon training products. So they do have some free tools, but they're hidden. They're very difficult to find, right? And what a lot of the sellers are doing, even big sellers, because not only are their fees increasing, but they also charge like commission on certain tools. So that's going to be the Amazon advertising management. So they're like, you know what, we're going to switch it up. And that's completely fine. And instead they're going to other tools, right? A lot of the other tools, like we're going through, this is Smart Scout, Jungle Scout. As of right now, they are not increasing their pricing. They're not changing it. So their pricing is significantly lower. We can go to Smart Scout, which is one of the workers actually used to work at Helium 10, left, started his own company, and you can see pricing, see demo. Let's see their pricing monthly. They start at $29, so much more affordable, and that's 2 users. That's 2 people, right? So technically, if you split it, do the math, practically, a couple bucks a month, maybe about 15. We got AMC Scout. Let's look at their pricing, and they start at $59.99 a month. Bundle AI, they got an AI tool, a lot of different things, right? So that's kind of the gist. Another thing that we wanted to bring up just to see is that Amazon now has been implementing a lot of their own. So if we go on Helium 10, right, Amazon has its own kind of product research tool. Amazon has its own pretty much keyword tracker tool. Amazon's been implementing their own tools and really trying to make it a lot better for other sellers. And that's something that you want to keep in mind. As you can see there, Amazon's been really going hard again and adding more tools. So you see custom analytics, that's brand new. Currency converter, brands, protect your brand. They even have this special brand analytics. This is a Helium 10 tool. This is legit a Helium 10 tool. And it's search query performance you can just go into Amazon technically and check it out yourself, right? But at the end of the day, right, the biggest thing about Helium 10 is the time saved. So you can have all these separate tools and like you're jumping from platform to platform to platform to platform, or you can have them all in one. So that's where Helium 10 stands out. You can see on the left side, she's doing the laundry herself, the cooking and the cleaning. On the right side, she has this app, Home Hero, where she can hire a maid, a chef, and somebody who's going to be doing her laundry. And instead of it taking 5 hours, now it's taking 1 hour, which could be significant if it was on a daily basis. But of course, on the right side, it's going to cost more money. On the left side, a lot less. So it's up to you at the end of the day. We're here to help. We have access to all of the tools. So if you are working with us, we are Amazon experts and consultants that will help you manage your account, create your designs, and scale on Amazon, which is wonderful because we're utilizing all the tools on a regular basis. We know what to do and to help you succeed. But if you did need any help with Amazon, the button's right in the description. You can contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of BHP Consulting, signing out.